My name is John Gill and I work in digital marketing and social media for Conway Mind. I chose to do a social media apprentice of level 3 because I saw it as a good way to develop my skills and my passion and further my career in that field. The best thing about doing an apprenticeship, I feel, is you're able to learn at your own pace whilst also earning money. The work experience granted by an apprenticeship is a breath of fresh air and it helps you to develop life skills that are actually important in the real world. My employer has been amazing at supporting me throughout the length of my apprenticeship. On a day-to-day basis, I'm able to schedule all of our social media, manage the website, keep it updated, respond to comments from the public. They've been brilliant in allowing me to take up my own path and lead the way forward with the social media and not restricting me and listening to my ideas, and have a very good back and forth relationship with the management. For the first time in my life, I was able to work as part of a team in an office, in a very professional office, and that helped me develop people skills that I previously struggled with. I think that's been it's been an important part of my life. Is like this apprenticeship. It really means a lot to me. I feel that now that I'm able to move on and progress even further because of the apprenticeship, it's given me that starting off point and that foundation to understand that I was able to do these things, and which was previously I was a bit worried about, would I be able to be good enough to do it, but the apprenticeship kind of eased me in, and now I feel much more confident to be able to progress my career and become a better marketing officer.